Get yourself a nice stable place to work with. Hopefully you can see this. And we're gonna go with a 3/8 drill bit. All right, you wanna wear safety glasses just in case. And on the side of this unit here, there is a memory board inside. And the way you fix these LEDs that fade out every once in a while is you wanna go, it's about a 1/2 inch to the right and a 1/4 inch down from this seam, and you wanna drill in. Okay, now that you're in, you want to grab one of these. Let's see. This is a product made by Defiant. All right, it's one of these cameras. All right, so you want to turn her on. Hopefully it's charged. All right, it's charged. We don't need a hell of a lot. We just need enough. And you can see, we're gonna go in. Let's turn this upside down, or let's rotate it. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Here we go, it's the top button. Oh, I don't want to lose everything else, so let's put this down here. All right, so let's make sure we're looking at this thing right. Here we go. All right, so you want to take your camera, hopefully you can see this. You want to go inside the hole here. And if you can see that there, see that white wire? It's got the white wire, the red and the black. All right, let's get this in a little bit more. Okay, we could rotate it. Right, there you go. Those are the wires you want to look at if you have a defective light there. Once you see those wires there, what you're going to do is you're going to take this back out. Okay, you're going to turn this thing off because we determined we have that wire in there with the tie wrap. Then you're going to take your drill bit off. You're going to put this like this. We're going to close this up. And then you're going to take one of these. If you're wondering what this is a Yukon Cornelius hammer. It's used to chip at stone and stuff, like a mason hammer. And over here, you're gonna see this, and that's what you're gonna do, right? And then when you do that, most of the stuff falls off, and then you're gonna do it again, and then again. You know, you're gonna keep doing it. You got to keep doing it, and what happens is, eventually, you want to get this here. You can see how this is coming off. That's what you want, and you want to kind of twist it, and you want to keep hitting it because you want to think about the times you had to come out and keep fixing this thing, right? So here we are. We got the wires, and you can see down in there the wires we saw with the camera. So you're going to grab it. You know, be very careful. Grab it with one hand, hold it with the other, and kind of give it a pull. And if it doesn't work, use this hammer again. Okay? And give it a few twists. And you're going to inspect it. All right? Everything looks to be okay. And that's pretty much how you're going to fix this. You're going to pick up these parts, right? You're going to look for, I don't know, an area, and we're gonna put it back together, and that should do it. That should fix the LED light there. So thanks for watching, and yeah, We'll catch you on the next one. And what do we got to do now? Hey, Sonny! Hey, come here. How you doing, pal? Oh, he's a good boy. Look at him. Come here, Sonny. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped out. Remember, Defiant, Home Depot, not a bad light.